What up, everyone? This is just... I'm not actually doing anything particularly important right now. I'm just explaining to you what Free Code Camp is, why I'm doing it, and what you should expect if you're interested in watching the series. Firstly, this is Free Code Camp. These little pictures have descriptions. They speak for themselves. But I'll be fair, the first time I came to this website I had a really difficult decision to make, because I have a sort of not-for-profit organisation myself. Some of you might have heard of it. It's the Play for Humanity project, and well, I needed a lot of coding done for it, and I was almost tempted to just click the lazy button, but in the end I decided if I can learn to code I can probably get a job and support myself, which would be nice. What else we got? Oh yeah, this is sort of like other things that we'll be looking at. Do you know what, there's actually so much stuff that we will be looking at. In fact, I'll show you now. This is the map, or what they call the map. This is pretty boring stuff, which you probably don't need to see. It's very, signing up for accounts and stuff. It's very boring. You can do that by yourself. I'm not helping you through that. It's easy. The first thing is HTML5 and CSS, which goes on for quite some time. This is actually quite fun, Bootstrap. I've actually got a fair way through. Let's see, I've got a fair way through the front-end development, but I will be starting from the beginning because, it's only fair. This I haven't looked at yet. Looks very interesting. Oh wait, no, I have. The only thing I didn't do was commit to a goal and a non-profit, but that's because, well, I'm poor and also useless at coding for now. But when I'm better at coding, I can help non-profits. jQuery. Now that's a pain. Basic JavaScript. There's a lot. You actually do get real qualifications for completing this course, and also job opportunities, which is useful. This I've not been near this. This looks scary to me right now. There is it goes on for a while. There's a lot of stuff to get through. Just to show you this. Hold on a sec. It's all diddled up, right? So you've got the explanation, I guess, and then there's sort of a challenge that you've got to complete, which is all done here. This, you can't really tell because of the way my browser's set up. This is actually sort of like the display thing. Usually though, you'd have somewhere near these guys, you'd have sort of like a console window that shows you what the output of your code is. So for the first view you do actually get like, kind of looks like a mobile phone when your browser's open properly. Right, so there's a few other things that are really helpful. Obviously run test, that's when you get a nice tick and a nice sound, which is nice, you get encouraged. If you screw up so badly that you have no idea how to fix it, this is your friend. You just reset the code, start again. My favourite thing about the whole thing is if you get stuck and you're a bit too lazy to Google it, you can actually go, if you click help, it'll take you to this place where you can actually, well, there are literally tens of people sat there just waiting to help you out. That's pretty much sort of the tour of Free Code Camp. I guess I should explain why I so desperately need to do this. Firstly, I plan to stream maybe an hour or two every single day, purely just to get through the course. The main reason I need to get through the course so quickly is essentially financial difficulty. I don't like saying this out loud. Basically, because of my disability, it can be really hard for me to do anything or be a useful human being in any way whatsoever. But when I found this, it's something that I can do. It's something I can do from bed if I can't get out of bed. And you get real qualifications for it. It's absolutely free. Free is my favourite thing. But the main draw for me was that part of the project that you put forward for your qualification involved you helping a not-for-profit organisation by, I don't know, building a website for them or programming something for them, which I think is really helpful. That's about it. I think that wraps it up. In a couple of hours, I will. Let's see. Let's have a look at the map. In a couple of hours, I will, if I can get all the way back here, make a start on basic HTML and CSS. It's really, really super simple. Yeah. See you then.